hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Hi lovelies, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. In today's vlog, we are on our way to church. There was literally no time to show you my outfit for the day, but I've shown you this dress in a haul in this Vlogmas series. So if you've been following the series, you already know the haul that I reviewed this dress in. However, today's video is proudly sponsored by Jeulia. I'll be giving you a lot more details about them later on in the vlog. Today's weather was absolutely freezing and windy, the worst combination ever. Anyway, this is us to church, and on our way back we stopped by a couple of places, so we got back home really late. But there was this side attraction. I initially thought there was an ambulance or a fire truck coming, but it was just the fire station showing their support for Christmas and, you know, Santa Claus Day. One of them dressed up in the Santa outfit, and the rest of them were just handing out candy to passers-by and children on the road. It was quite sweet to see, but it was sort of a distraction, if you get what I mean. Anyway, we got home and there was literally no strength to do anything. Let's catch up.
Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. We literally just got back a few minutes ago, and the wind is something else. So it's a few minutes past 5. So I was going to stop by at the store today because I wanted to pick up a couple of things, and I also wanted to monitor prices at Lidl and Farm Foods, but the stores were already closed by the time we got back into town, so I couldn't do that anymore. Anyway, I don't think I'm going to be cooking this night because this house is dirty. It's very scattered, and I have to prep for the new week, or else I'm going to be overwhelmed. So yeah, I don't think I'll be cooking tonight. Boys are probably just going to sort themselves out with noodles or something like that, and I'm just going to go ahead and start cleaning. By the way, you guys, my jewelries are from Jeulia. I particularly love this one. All the jewelries I'm wearing today are from Jeulia. I only added this stone studs to it just to complement everything. These ones I got for maybe £1 at Asda, but this was from our last collaboration. I got this. Everyone compliments this ring. Like, you can't tell me these are not real diamonds. You can't. Still shining, still glistening, everything. So this time around, I've picked this one. It has 3 huge stones on there, and I just picked this one as a complimentary ring. So yeah, I got these for my husband. I just love how simple this one is. Guys, the link to their website will be in the description box. Go ahead, click on that, and you'll be directed straight to their website. The OGs on the channel already know that Jeulia is not a new brand to us. We've worked with them 4 times in the past, which makes this collaboration the 5th time. So the first time I picked this 3-piece set, and the second time we collaborated, I picked out this item. This gold one comes with a bunch of stones. I can't even begin to count how many stones are on this one. And I also got this bag that has gold and silver hardware on it. This was the bag I took to church today, by the way. So the 3rd time around, I picked this chunky set. Anyway, you guys, you know what to do. The link will be in the description box. They're having their biggest sale, well, biggest end of year sale going on at the moment on their website. So now is the time to load up your cart and shop.
So many thanks to Jeulia for sponsoring that segment of the video after I went ahead to clean the whole house thoroughly. Now, after that was done, it was time to tackle this huge package I got from Dagusta. This is their advent calendar. This is not one of their usual boxes. They usually do this during the Christmas period. Now, at this point, I had no strength at all to unbox this, so I had to get reinforcements, get those boys in this kitchen to unbox this thing for me. All right, so let's get on with our Christmas challenge. In today's vlog, we are looking at Luke chapter 22, and this is a really pivotal chapter in this series, and it just looks at the plot to betray Jesus. Obviously, this is where Judas was contacted by the church leaders and was given a bribe to betray Jesus. We also see the Last Supper in this chapter, where Jesus celebrates the Passover with his disciples, and we also see the mystery of the communion, symbolizing the blood and the body of Jesus. Then we get to the prediction of the betrayal of Jesus and his denial. This is where Jesus told one of his disciples that one of you is going to betray me. And obviously we know that it's Peter. Later on in the chapter, this gets to unfold later on. And then we see Jesus predict about difficult times after his death, just urging his disciples to know that opposition will arise when he's gone. And then we see Jesus pray at Gethsemane, where he prays fervently that this cup should pass over him, because he knew that it was going to be a difficult thing to die the death of the cross. And then we see Jesus arrested, where Judas finally goes ahead to betray Jesus with a kiss. And we see Peter attempt to defend Jesus by cutting off the ear of one of the guards that came to arrest Jesus. Jesus even went ahead to heal the guard, and he went ahead to follow them to be arrested. Then we see Peter deny Jesus, after he was captured, where some people were warming themselves by fire. And Peter denied Jesus 3 times. And then, like what Jesus predicted, the cock crew, and he went and he wept bitterly and was really sad and sorrowful. Then we see Jesus mocked and beaten. And this was, very disheartening to see, the stripes that were on his back, tearing his skin. And then finally we see Jesus before the Sanhedrin, where he was questioned by the Jew council, and he affirmed his identity as the Son of God. And this was the final nail in the coffin, that just made them really angry and said, this is blasphemy, we have to kill this man. And that was where his journey to the cross began. How are you guys keeping up with your Christmas challenge? How is it going? Please let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to let me know what you are grateful for. Today, I'm grateful for the death and resurrection of Jesus. I thank God that he came and he died for us. My 2 shout outs today go to Omolade and Yinka Emmanuel. Thank you guys so much for your love and support on the channel. If you guys have watched up until now, just know that you are G's, you are my OGs. And remember, tomorrow the 24th of December is the day we are going to war. We're going to fight. We're going to what? Get our turkey, our Christmas turkey. Don't be left out. Don't be told. Remember to go early, monitor prices, because the shelves are clearing out. I don't know, I think it's the cost of inflation and all of that is making people really greedy this year. But I just know that this year is going to be something else, because if you have been going to the stores, I've been hearing so many stories of empty shelves and all of that. People are taking advantage of these sales. Go ahead and shop to your heart's content. Don't be greedy, but try to stock up as well, if you get what I mean. Anyway, I told you guys I'm hosting this December, so I'm just making more space because I'm trying to set up the boys' flues table. They have this table my husband got for them a couple of weeks or months ago. They haven't used it yet. Well, they used it for a while, but we're just trying to set it up so that visitors as well can also use that. I will see you guys in day 24.